Hello, my name is Gary Messeri, and I am the founder and also the CEO of REI Fortunes. We're a real estate investing and training company, and we help people get started in real estate. We also work with investors that want to up their game and take it to a higher level. Now, let me tell you what's happening in the market right now. We know it's been a really very healthy fix and flip market right here in California. But you got to be careful because if you're doing structural flips, you could be in trouble because the market is declining, the values are declining, the homes are staying on the market longer, and the money that a lot of these fixer and flippers used to make are now kind of like they're not making so much money, and some of them are having to write checks to escrow. So a lot of them are coming back into wholesaling. Now, wholesaling is a lot safer. It gives you, you don't need any money, you don't need any credit, but you do need knowledge and you need a strong desire to do it. So we do give you a lot of hands-on mentorship. We teach you how to analyze the deals. That's very important. How much money can you make as a wholesaler? A lot of wholesalers are leaving money on the table, which is ridiculous. If you know how to calculate the profits by looking at what the as-is value is and what the rehab costs are going to be, and then knowing what we call after repair market value, which means what the property will sell for, then you can actually make a lot more money if you knew the investor can make 20% cash on cash returns. So what we're going to do is we're going to help you really with our deal analyzer. We're going to take you up another $5, $10, $15, $20,000 on top of what you're already making by analyzing it properly to the rehabbers for you. Okay. We also offer you hands-on, what we call a done-for-you hands-on marketing program. What does that mean, hands-on, done for you? Well, we actually give you a website, and we also create your creatives like your postcards, your door hangers, your letterhead, everything that you need, and a beautiful business brochure and your business cards with a beautiful logo. We do all of that for you, and they even help you get all that stuff printed and then send you out in the field to work with us directly. We actually go out in the field, all right, and teach you how to find the deals, knock on the doors. Now, here's what's happening on the market. Okay, we know that the foreclosure market is sort of declining, because of job growth and also wages. But a lot of people don't realize that the seniors are growing. What's happening? But I mean, they're growing by losing their homes. Now, the New York Times projects that over the next 10 years, that the foreclosure market for seniors is going to be a pretty healthy market. Why? Because here's what's happening. You see, the seniors are retiring without their retirement income. They're just living off their Social Security, but they're retiring of the mortgages that they never paid off. And what happens is if a senior loses a spouse, they lose a Social Security check, and they can't afford to make the payments, and then they go into foreclosure. A lot of them are doing loan modifications. Well, what's wrong with loan modifications? Nothing if they're done properly. If they have fixed rates and they're permanent type, there's a lot of good loan modifications out there. But there's also a lot of bad ones out there too. Believe it or not, there's loan modifications that have been put into with variable rates, and they're adjusting. And some of them are even re-amortizing as a result of that, and those payments are going up. So it's costing the seniors cannot afford those hike in the payments, and they're losing their homes as well. Well, we care about those seniors, and that's a big part of our market right now. So we're looking for people that want to be solutions providers, that want to be trained by people that care about people, that create a culture of caring. We don't want to put them out in the street. We don't want to make them homeless. We want to put them into care facilities. We even work with them on reverse mortgages. I'm going to teach you some strategies there too. So we teach you the whole foreclosure timeline. We teach you all the solutions, and the rights that these homeowners have. And we work with those homeowners. And I'll tell you, we're doing a lot of business. We're pulling down 10, 15 deals, 10 to 15 leads a day. And we're calling on about 20 deals, a week. So we have the business for you. So with that in mind, I want to offer you my free gift again on Craigslist. You can find a lot of great deals on there. I've got a book. You just have to put in your name, phone number, and email, and you download that book, and you can start working right away, finding some great deals using my Craigslist book. It's a keyword search program that teaches you how to find these deals, by simply putting in the words like fixer-upper, or motivated seller, or price reduction, and you can find a lot of great deals right now on Craigslist. All right, well, take your time on our website, look around. You can contact us if you want to fill out a questionnaire. It's called questionnaire.form.com, questionnaire.form.com. And you fill that out, you send it in, and I'll promise you I'll give you a call, and one of my staff will give you a call, and we'll meet with you. So if you're interested in starting into real estate and learning about wholesaling, you're in the right place at the right time. Give us a call. Let's chat. We'll give you a free strategy session, find out if it's right for you or not. If you want to take it to a higher level, then we're going to show you what all the risks are and you do it safely. Don't get carried away here just doing a deal. We want you to make the profit by analyzing it right up front, okay? And then we'll teach you all that you need about how to write a contract, whether it's seller financing, wraparounds, whatever it happens to be. We're going to teach you that as well. So we got a lot of knowledge for you, but with very low cost and a lot of strong mentorship and a lot of, our philosophy and ideals is that we're creating a culture that cares about people. We don't put people out in the street. So, okay, when people come to me and say, hey, teach me how to get these deals and close them fast and, and make in all cash, I don't want to hear it. I just want to talk to people that are going to work with people and make sure you don't put them out in the street, but you help them out. You'll have all the deals that you want. You'll make all the money that you want when you do it, when you care about people. So this is Coach Gary telling you that we'd love to have you on board. If that's your philosophy of doing business, if you have that kind of value and code of ethics, why you come and talk to us instead of paying $20, $30, $40, $50, $80,000, why we'll do it with you. Okay, we'll teach you how to find the deals. We'll go with you on the deals. Everything that you need and give you on-call coaching comes with all our programs. So talk to us before you spend all that money, and we'll get you going in real estate the right way. And let's start with wholesaling and then work our way up where it's safe for you. And then we'll teach you how to do all the investments with syndications and mobile parks and, and storage units and all the things, single-family properties and multifamily. We do all of that. We'll teach you how to build a great net worth with a high cash flow. But let's start at the beginning, work our way up, and then let's do it right. Okay, so give us a call. I'm Coach Gary, and I'll be glad to see you and talk to you. And I love people, and I'd love to help you. Bye-bye now.